Okay guys, doing a food review of my own fried chicken here. Fried this chicken in this cast iron skillet on a Coleman stove. I'm eating that chicken right now on the river, Nolichucky River. Pretty good. That dog right there, he done had 2 pieces of Spam and 2 hot dogs. They followed us down the river for 4 hours while we was floating the river for 4 hours. And they swam down the river. Yes, I said that. They swam down the river. 4 hours. I called the number on the caller and called the owner to come get them. Got this battery charging on my jumper cables to run this light. I run that light overnight with my kerosene lantern. Got my tent set up, camping all along by myself on my friend's place. He's got a cabin up there. He went back home, so I'm all by myself down here. Got a fire going, eating a chicken leg. Charging my battery up. Food review, my first time frying fried chicken. Sit down here in the truck. I've eaten a lot of chicken. My first time frying it personally. Not bad. Put it in a bag and watered it around like a pig in slop with some flour. Not bad. Another short video clip. I'll be back.